Om Sai Ram to all my Baba lovers out there. How are you all doing? Hope you all are doing good. Hope you all are fighting with Baba the way I fight to get what you need. Baba must be laughing from top that she also teaches her followers and bachas to fight with me the way she always does. But it's okay, we are his children. We can only fight with him, right? We cannot go and fight with anyone else. Today I feel the color has to be blue so that you can sit and communicate to Baba more easily, saying, see, I've even wore the color of communication and now it is time that you listen to me. Today also you can I feel you can chant his mantra 108 times in the morning, and if possible do a lot of donation today. I feel you need to donate little more than what you usually donate. Also, if possible, offer orange colored sari to a poor woman and orange colored dhoti to a man, to an old man today's day. If possible, if you can do that, and in any Baba's temple or any temple at all, just donate 2 to 3 kgs of some rice or sugar and come, because I feel Baba wants to remove all your karmic debts. Baba wants to remove all your karmic unwanted energies, and that is why this message is coming for me. So that's the reason I'm telling you all to do it. Okay, this is the first card. He will come to your aid whenever you need him. So Baba, that is there. Baba is present everywhere. Today also I always tell, if I want him then I can feel him, because he will never ever have that thing that I should not come. He only says one thing: with faith you call me. Whether you're rich or poor, whether you whatever you are, I don't care, but if you call me with faith and dedication, and if you believe in me that I am there and I shall come for you, then I will definitely come for you and I will give you whatever is needed, because he is a person who treats everyone equally. Let us see what is the next card which is coming. Sometimes we just need to understand that he is there and he is going to take care of us. So the next card is compassion. Sometimes we are not compassionate with others. Maybe you are thinking that I am only suffering, Baba is always giving me sufferings, but Baba is saying think about others. I still remember in my workshops also I used to say this. Before even I used to crib, why me. Then one day in one book I read somewhere that a person was cribbing that he couldn't buy a pair of shoes, and he was walking and going down the road where he saw a person who didn't have two legs, and he realized, oh thank God, at least I have legs to walk. Look at that man, he doesn't have legs, and he doesn't have the facility or the comfort to walk, and he is just crawling on the floor and going. So I, from that day, I have always felt whatever I have, there are people who don't even have that. Whatever Baba has given me, there are many who don't even have little of what I have. So somewhere I am blessed, and that is the reason I always want to help others, want to bless others, want to guide others in the best way I can. So Baba wants you to do the same thing, and when you do that, believe me, he will love you more and more, and he will always be there with you whenever you need him. Have a beautiful and a happy blessed day. Om Sai Ram.